Women empowerment in simple words can be said as giving power to women to decide their own lives and inculcating such habits in them so that they could be able to find their rightful place in the society. According to United Nations, women empowerment has mainly 5 components: generating women's sense of self-worth, women's right to have and to determine their choices, women's right to have access to equal opportunities and all kinds of resources, women's right to have the power to regulate and control their own lives within and outside the home, women's ability in contributing towards a stronger economic and social order. Thus, women empowerment is nothing but recognition of basic women rights and creating an environment where they are treated as equal to men. Women are able to live with dignity and self-respect. Self-confidence of women is increased and they make progress contributing to the growth of the nation. The social status of women is increased and they are well appreciated and recognized. They are also even be able to make financial decisions on their own and they become financially independent. Women empowerment paves the way for an equal society where no gender discrimination exists. Women empowerment will help in achieving sustainable development goals as envisioned by the United Nations. Men are paid more wages than women. Women are far less likely to hold positions of power in USA and globally. Women face difficulties from domestic violence than men. Women are more victims of human trafficking than men. Men are more likely to be CEOs and see higher rates of promotion than women. Women are more likely to perform unpaid domestic work than men. Women were considered as caretakers of home. They had to look after the running of the family. They had to manage the expenses in the most economical way possible. They were kept out of decision making matters as the primary role of women was not of ruling the family. They were expected to obey the orders by their husbands, their elders in the family, but were kept in isolation when it came to decision making matters related to the family. Many women were not given access to quality education at that period. Women in the modern day have completely transformed. The urban woman especially has changed from being a merry homemaker to the modern day multitasking woman. Handling responsibilities without fear, she has taken on world with confidence. Women of today handle their duties and chores at home, manage their career outside the home, nurture their children and balance their family lives with their profession. This is the scene in most of the urban households in today's world. The modern day woman is independent, takes right decisions boldly and stands up to her rights and walks a path of success. Indra Nooyi, Sushma Swaraj, Kalpana Chawla, P.T. Usha and Aishwarya Rai are women achievers in their chosen field. Women of today choose their right career paths that determine their future and thus we can see them excelling in every walk of life. We have to ensure women's safety. We have to make sure that every girl child gets proper education. We have to create a safe, survivable environment and regular health checkups for women. Save the girl child because in many parts of the world, including India, girls are being killed before birth. Share new ideas with them, help them to learn because women empowerment begins with small initiatives. Raise your voice against gender inequality. Give them the liberty to decide their future and career of their own. Women empowerment starts within your neighborhoods, workplaces and families. Appreciate those superheroes who start your day before you and end it much later. Say thanks to your mom and teacher who encouraged you years ago. Say thanks to your sister who inspires you at every step. Say thanks to your daughter whose smile is enough to fill your day with happiness. I wanted to raise this issue because I felt that women are the greatest thing ever happened to humankind, but they're still being treated unequally and are not being given the prominence and dignity which they totally deserve. Still, women are meant for household and domestic work. We have to remove such stereotypes and change the way we think towards women. Finally, I would say that equal representation of women among the society plays an efficient role in the progress of a nation.